Every great steel rod begins with carefully selected raw materials and precise industrial planning. The temperature is stable. Check the flow rate. Looks good. We're ready for the first billet.
Extreme heat transforms solid steel into a form ready for precision rolling.
Alignment verified. Rollers engaged. Clear on the line. Ready for the billet.
Powerful rolling mills reshape glowing steel with thousands of tons of controlled force.
The diameter is holding steady at 50.02.
I've adjusted the tension on roller 3. We are within tolerance.
Controlled cooling gives each steel rod the strength and flexibility required for modern construction. Readings on the cooling bed are nominal. We're ready for the next cycle. Over. Precision cutting ensures every iron rod meet the exact dimensions required for construction.
Check the surface on this one, second from the left.
Looks good. The automated sorting is working well today.
The tensile strength is holding at 550. It meets the standard.
Good. I'll log it and we can approve the batch.
Precision automation prepares every bundle for safe handling, transport, and construction use.
We verified the tension and the bundle dimensions.
All specifications met, marking the inspection complete.
Complete traceability ensures every steel rod can be identified from raw material to final delivery.
Every bundle must pass rigorous inspection before it is approved for construction projects around the world.
From molten steel to certified construction material, Every shipment carries the strength of modern engineering.
Axle load reading is stable. Total weight 75,000 kilograms. Confirmed. The data is verified.
Verification complete. You are cleared for departure. Route 7. Drive safe.
Every shipment begins a new chapter, delivering the backbone of tomorrow's cities.
Quality check confirmed. All bundles secured and tagged. Send the convoy out.
Precision manufacturing meets precision construction as engineered steel reaches its final destination.
According to the tags, these are the high tensile 15-millimeter bundles.
Yes, that matches the structural drawings. We'll start with these.
Engineered steel now becomes the hidden strength inside tomorrow's buildings and infrastructure. Engineered steel now becomes the hidden strength inside tomorrow's buildings and infrastructure.